Hi, it's summertime, it's family time, and it's pool time. Hi, my name is Richard Woodward, and I'm with Service First Mortgage, and I specialize in home improvement loans. So we have an excellent financing program available for you if you're wanting to install a pool or any other home project. You can do a kitchen, you can do baths, you can do whatever you want to. But home improvement loans generally are second mortgages that are offered by credit unions and banks. And they tend to come with much higher interest rates, and they only loan you up to about 90% of your home's value. With our home improvement loan, we can lend you up to 95% of the after improved value. So if you're putting in a pool that cost you $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, we can add that to your existing loan balance, and then we'll do an appraisal of the combined amount, and then we'll give you a loan based off of that, 95% of that. So oftentimes you can bring in no money at all and finance in your brand new pool for the summer. So if you have any home improvement projects that you'd like to discuss about financing, let me help you with a brand new home improvement loan, and we will get you going right away. Give me a call today and let's discuss the details. 214-945-1066. Again, 214-945-1066. If you like this idea, please subscribe to my channels, like and approve, share this video. We would love to hear from you. Comment below. Thanks so much.